Hi, I'm Robin from Clearview, and I would like to introduce you to our FD30S Dual Q Mark fire door, how we manufacture it and how we create a golden thread from beginning to end. This is the start of the golden thread, what links together everything we do. This is the beginning of our manufacturing process. Behind all this is an established team who process our orders and check all details are correct to the scope of certification and field of application before we even start cutting the door. We use a Winkhaus fire frame, which is fiberglass based profile, not PVC. Our doors are manufactured with a Winkhaus lock mech AB2 and AB2E with an anti-bump cylinder. Our doors contain an armoured shield on the lock cylinder and an armoured plate around the gearbox for enhanced security. We are audited by BM Trada every 6 months and burn tested regularly. Barcode scanning during the process ensures tracking of the order and the correct process is done.